Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy nachos dip. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 1 can of refried beans, and 1 can of diced tomatoes. For that creamy texture, grab 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And of course, have your favorite tortilla chips on hand for the perfect scoop. This dip comes together quickly and is always a crowd pleaser. Now, let's get cooking. First, brown your 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess grease to keep our dip from being too oily. Once the beef is ready, stir in the entire can of refried beans. Mix these two ingredients together thoroughly. This creates the rich and hearty foundation for your incredible nacho dip. Next, it's time to make our dip wonderfully creamy and cheesy. Add the 8 ounces of cream cheese directly into your warm beef and bean mixture. Stir continuously until the cream cheese is fully melted and smoothly incorporated throughout. Then, sprinkle in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring until it's also melted and gooey. Finally, gently fold in the entire can of diced tomatoes, including their juices, for a burst of fresh flavor. Your easy nacho dip is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the warm, bubbling dip into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh cilantro or a few slices of jalapeno. Serve this delicious, cheesy creation with your favorite tortilla chips and watch it disappear. This recipe is perfect for parties or a cozy night in, yielding about 6 to 8 generous servings of pure deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.